Hi there, Mike here. Today we'll be looking at a very common gaming issue in Bazzite where in-game videos don't play and instead we get this random picture with different colors. The issue is that the default version of the Proton compatibility layer is missing some video codecs that are needed for certain video formats. Fortunately, the fix is very simple. We'll install the latest version of Proton-GE using ProtonPlus, then we'll change the game to use Proton-GE in Steam, then we'll relaunch the game to confirm that the videos work. Let's jump right in. First, let's close our game and exit Steam completely. Now we open ProtonPlus, which should be pre-installed in Bazzite. If it's not installed for you, you can download it from the Bazzite store. Select the Proton-GE tab, select the download button for Proton-GE latest. It will download and extract. Next, we launch Steam again. Right-click on the game, select Properties, select Compatibility, select Forced Steam Play, and we select Proton-GE Latest in the drop-down. Close the settings and relaunch the game. And our videos are playing correctly. I typically just make Proton-GE the default compatibility option, which we can do by opening up Steam settings, selecting compatibility, and changing the default compatibility tool to Proton-GE latest. This way, all future games will automatically use Proton-GE instead of the standard Proton. And there you have it. Your in-game videos should now be playing correctly using Proton-GE instead of the default Proton. This fix works for most video codec issues you might encounter in games on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more Bazzite and Linux gaming tutorials. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.